Hi. So I've been trying to build a tiny TCP server from scratch in CPP, no frameworks. This was Linux system call. So cause of that, I was reading this. Step by step architecture, no code yet. Create a listening socket. Please give me a socket that speaks to IP4. That speaks IP4 over TCP. Perfect. So TCP is the protocol. I was reading this protocol. This documentation feels, this is not the actual documentation, but it feels pretty much good. So please give me a socket that speaks IP4 over TCP. This is socket AF INET socket stream. Bind it to port localhost 88. There is another port executable. Okay, so first of all, let us try to create a socket that speaks IP4 over TCP. How are we gonna do that? This is the main.cpp file. Rather, I think so we should create another file which is socket testing.cpp. Okay, let me check. This is socket function, correct? So man socket, okay, correct. Create an endpoint for communication, work, good. Standard C library. So I haven't worked with these. So actually I haven't worked with C or CPP much, so I don't know a lot about them, about compatibility. Okay, so if I include something like, which is include s5 socket.h and ergonomic CPP, I should actually put a place here between them. So will it compile? Int main, let's see, std scout. Hey, it worked. And let's see, socket testing G plus plus. Okay, I think I was a kid. Apple legit. It worked. Okay, so I think so that it's gonna be okay. So socket creates an endpoint for communication, returns a file descriptor that refers to the endpoint. File descriptor, since it's Linux, everything is file, so it returns a file descriptor. Hell no, man, I want to open them. Hi. So what it does is file pointer, and it opens. Okay, we can define the protocol here only in socket. Now better. It returns a file descriptor. So this thing should work. And int domain. The domain argument specifies communication domain. This selects a protocol family which will be used for communication. These families are defined in socket.h. The format currently understood by the Linux kernel includes local communication, synopsis. Okay, we have to tell that you have to talk on IP4. So that's something which will be selected from here. Crazy. Okay, IP6, so IP4 internet, AFINet. This is the flag which I need to be send here. Since it's int, I guess it will be defined. I Domain argument is done, and further details of our family size are information. Another indicator type socks. The socket has indicated type which specify the communication semantics. Currently defined types as sock stream provides sequence reliable two-way communication based byte streams out of supports datagrams, provide a sequence reliable two-way connection. What is it? Sock packet? This is a sock stream. Let me check. Sock stream, I'm correct. And protocol. Next. Some sockets may be implemented by all protocol families since Linux Stripe arguments of the second purpose and additionally specifying a socket type, including bitwise or I don't know what's it. The protocol specify a particular protocol that is used with the socket. Normally normally only a single protocol exists to support a particular socket type within a given protocol family. In the given case, protocol can be specified as 0. It is possible that many protocols exist. Okay, I'm just going to go with 0. So 0 and let's say it's socket. So docker. Why do I write docker socket and good if socket just null. Let's try done and dusted. You know, I kind of hate CBP. Not kind of, I genuinely hate CBP. Done and dusted. And then I have to implement a catch and couch. There are multiple errors already here. I guess I have to define using namespace std. Socket. Socket not created. Okay, correct. I haven't actually done programming, C programming, where I didn't using namespace std, so I'm legit guessing where the std should be. And it is a function. Okay, let's first see this if it works. Okay, in function error socket cannot be used. Oh, silly of me to conversion from int to file. Okay, it returns an int. And this is illegal type checking now. You know what? Just print whatever in this thing is. Okay, scout is not defined and it works. Now the exception should be thrown. Throw I actually don't know how to access this. Thank God. That was all for today, guys. Bye bye. Just before going, I don't know how to write my own header file. So I'll learn that today. How to write your header files. Okay, how to header files in C. First learn in C. Last Christmas, I'll give you my heart. stdio.h and main are kind of can anyone explain how to create a header file in simple explanation? Hell nah. Okay, so it is told that we have to write these kind of things. Include that they say, I don't know what it is. And I have to define the function. So we got it length Oh, stdio.h. These are not ergonomic enough, so I'm gonna do this, and then let's start from int main. Okay, I don't have to write main here because it's a lib, and let's define struct node. That's to int data and node pointer next. What node pointer next, correct, and then node length. Hey Siri, resume the music. Linked list int array int size, and then I just have to return for int I is equals to 0 is less than size I plus plus, and since it's the size is not done, I have to first create the first element. Let's say node first, or better head equals to new node. Okay, new is not in C, so I have to do this. Can this be done in C? Okay, this is what make files are for. Make files. Missing separator. Ha! The hell? Why so? It's so hard. Ah. This is okay. It's pretty simple. We just have to get this. What? Okay, I just realized I don't understand how to create a simple basic linked list in C, which I can create in like 2 minutes in CPP. Nah, I can't quit like this, man. Okay. don't have time to code at this moment. Okay. 9 GDP. Why do I forget this every single time? If 0, then if 0 is true, then this should be printed. Else nothing. Run this. Nothing is printed. 0 is false. So I have to just put this, and this does the job. And yeah, just the job. And let's write ergonomically. Oh. Can I edit this? Okay. Hello.
तेरा कुछ आएगा नहीं मेरे घर हैं?
एक मिनट. I hate every single piece of it. Def percentage D. Please make it. Main.cxs linked list.cxs.